Hello everyone, this is Rick, and I did a juice recipe from Mimi Kirk's book, The Ultimate Book, Modern Juicing, Mimi Kirk. I got this for Christmas, and I did the Giddy Up. The Giddy Up recipe that is on 118, and I'm sorry. There's the ingredients right there. 2 apples, 1/4 head of cabbage, 2 kale leaves, 4 stalks celery, and a half a lemon. I didn't remove the stalks. So, I've already juiced. This is my juicer, the Omega J8006. And there's the pulp. And we're going to pour it in here. I've got a mason jar with a funnel and another screen, or whatever they call it. Strainer. Okay.
Pretty Kelly green color.
Yeah, now I have acid reflux, and you got to drink cabbage juice for a month or so to get cure of it. So what you got to do is you got to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. You've seen Fully Raw Christina do this. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. All right, you can go ahead and put a spoon in there, 'cause I'm not doing that good. Dun, da-da. Dun, da-da. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, can you stir the juice a little bit with the spoon?
Yeah, we don't want to do too much, right? Doesn't that oxidate it?
Yep. Well, no, it won't oxidate stirring.
Oh, okay.
All right. Are you want to taste it? You want me to taste it?
You taste it.
All right. Here's the phone. Okay. Tastes like a green juice. It's not that great, not that bad, and good for you. Thank you, Mimi Kirk, for the recipe. I'm going to sip on this and hope it cures my acid reflux plus many other juices. Thank you for watching.